lot of behind the scenes too.
Where did I miss? Uncomfortable.
Look over here, sir.
It's so good.
You actually want to get to the taste? Yes.
I like one of
I love right now. Look, I hooked it right there. Yes. Yes, you're in real good right now.
A couple of shots here, 2 shots over here. All right, you guys ready? All right. So this shot is and cut. Oh my God, gee, you're doing great.
That was perfect.
Action.
I do too.
I love it.
Today is November 16th, and we are on day 2 of the music video shoot. Here is our team right here.
We've only done this part, right?
It's going so well. Everyone is amazing, and I am just so proud of everyone. Yeah, see, yeah, and just see, that's why I said that's why I said do that. It's more
Okay. So yes, so when you do that, let's see if you cry too. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, she will.
Yeah. Let's see if you cry too.
ก็จะสั่นคนนี้คน
up.
จอจอลิงหมอจอจอ
What about this space?
Action.
Yeah. You can play the music.
And action.
I wanted to cry a little
Yeah.
more.
She's like getting there.
Yeah.
Doctor.
You're too full.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, like all back to
So good.